Do you want to know how you can enable the silent play on Rednote? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to App Tutorial. Let's go ahead and start the video. Open the Rednote app on your phone. Now to enable the silent play feature on Rednote, click on the three lines on the top left hand side and click on settings on the bottom. Then hit the general settings icon and you can see the silent play right under allow automatic refresh. So the play video silently option will be turned on. So as soon as you turn this on and you close the app, now you can just go ahead and open Rednote, open any type of videos, and the video will be played, but the audio is playing silently. So if you want to disable this feature, it's quite easy. All you need to do is just go ahead and click on the option of the three lines on the top, go to settings and hit the general settings icon. Then disable the silent play button. So there you go guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.